Hi all, I am Sakthi Priya. Today I am going to show you a demo of how Agentforce integrates with the CRM and how it smartly gives you suggestions or summaries or drafts an email. Let's see with the simple demos. Let's quickly dive into the Agentforce. What is Agentforce? Agentforce is a powerful solution that brings the power of AI into your CRM experience. It's designed to boost agents' productivity, personalize customer experience, and automate repetitive tasks. Let's see a quick example of how Agentforce works. Let's take a contact object. Let's take this record to show you a demo. Yeah. To activate a pop-up of Agentforce working, you need to click this cool guy icon. Click it. Yeah, you can see here, right? A pop-up window of greeting from an Agentforce. Yeah, if you want to summarize this contact detail, you can click summarize contact, or you can ask a prompt about it to summarize it. Let's click this summarize contact suggestion. It will give you the whole summarization of this contact within few seconds. The backend the work is going on. Yeah. Now you can able to see this summarization of this contact, the whole thing, like Shakti Priya holds the title of Joy contact at their company and is associated with the account Shakti. They can be reached via this email and this number. Case also related with this related to Shakti Priya include issues such as product damage, which is summarizing the whole thing, right? It's amazing with the few grasp of seconds you can able to see a full summarization of this contact, and furthermore recommendation also showing here, right? It's very a cool thing to know. And if you want to know how many case records in our CRM system, means you can prompt here how many case records are there in total. Yeah, it will be querying it in the backend and it will give you within seconds. Yeah, there are total of 27 records. When you cross check with the data loader exporter, s- yeah, exported 27 records. It is perfect, right? Yeah, this is what the agent force doing its magic. And then let's dive into how this force works with the flow. This is the standard flow which is already available in this org. If you want to summarize this whole flow, you need to sit for an hour and check it how these elements are flowing with the flow, everything you need to check. But with a simple click of this Einstein cool guy icon, you can see the magic. I will click the summarize flow and you can now see the magic. Yeah, this is the auto launch flow. This flow checks if a contact record exists for an customer. If not, it creates a new case record. Yeah, like this, the whole summarization of the flow happening, right? If you want to add this to the description of the flow, you can click this add to flow description while saving your flow. If the only person who knows this flow is the one who created it, right? Other persons don't know. If they want to know, they need to sit and analyze it entirely. But with this simple click of this agent force Einstein, the people can able to know the whole summarization within few seconds. Now let's quickly dive into the magic tool called prompt builder. Let's go to the setup and type prompt builder. Yeah, think of it as your control panel of your generative AI. You define what AI should do, when, and how. So for the demo purpose, I have previously created this generate contact summary prompt template. In this prompt template workspace, you can define of what the task the agent needs to do and how the summarization or how the output will look. Here you can describe it, and then the output format. It should be a human readable professional tone. You can describe here. So this is a simple prompt template where you can apply it. For that, let us take this record. So the whole purpose of this prompt template is to give you a prompt summary of this contact summary within a few seconds. If someone needs to manually do it, means it will consumes a lot of time, right? So when you click it, you can see this shiny thing, right? When you click, the agent force will automatically generate a whole summarization of this contact. If you want to use it, click use it, and then you can save it. This is the magic of the agent force. This is the magic tool behind the CRM, which will give you a summarization and or auto recommendation, or you can even draft an email and send it to a person. Yeah, let me show you a demo of how it will work. Let me click this cool guy icon. Draft an you can click draft an email, or you can give a prompt to. So with this draft an email, it will automatically keep an eye on what record we are in now, and it will automatically generate a draft with the professional human language. And if you click the send email, it will take you here. And with the help of this send button, you can click the send button, and email will be sent. Yeah, it's very fast, right? Dear Sakthi Priya, as a professional in the industry, you likely understand the importance. Yeah, the whole thing is a generative thing which is done by the LLM behind the sales agent force, right? So it is a very generative one, a very smarter one, a very accessible and cool thing to work with, right? So this thing makes your CRM to work with, make it more simpler, easier. Yeah, that's it. Thank you, guys.